he feel, no, you wasn't there, no, yeah.
This what I dream about, having fast car with some nice wheels. This what I dream about, having this Glock 9. What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. And in this video, we just been doing an unboxing the ring light. So we got a 10-inch ring light. Y'all, I'm gonna do another video on how we get the 10-inch ring light. It's an app that y'all gonna have to download, make extra money off of, but I feel like I'm gonna make that in another video. So right now we just gonna get into the ring light.
Let's get right into the video.
Okay, you guys, now we gotta tear it up. My bad, y'all. Y'all can't see my hair right now. I got them in a little twist. Dang, these come double boxes, man.
Okay, guys. This is the head.
This is the actual light that's gonna be on there. The light, and you wanna open it? You don't know how to put this stuff together now. Oh, so basically it's just like something like this, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
This really small. I mean, yeah, it'll still do for our video.
No.
I think you gotta plug it in.
Yeah.
You gotta have to plug it in or something.
Come on, let's stand it up first.
Okay, but
It's one more box.
what's it? What's it?
Probably the thing to hold the phone on the inside. Yeah, the thing to hold the phone.
Okay. Go ahead and do it over there. You gotta plug this up.
What's this?
Oh, to take pictures and stuff. Connected to it. You want to snap a picture?
What's this? I don't know what this.
What's all this thing?
Yeah, we finna free gift.
Yeah, you send me QR code and claim my free gift. We'll do that in a minute.
I'm gonna do this. Okay, you guys, so we finna see. We finna. Here you go. You go, bro. Okay, you guys, we're gonna I still got this thing on here. We're gonna set it up, and we're gonna show y'all how we set it up. So y'all stay tuned. We'll be back. Okay, you guys, it was really easy. We just you know, young and kind of young-minded. But all you had to do is really put the parts together. It wasn't really parts. We got it set up. We finna put it inside the ring light to show y'all how it looks. Okay, you guys, this is how we look with it. We could change the colors.
Let me see.
That one you really did look good.
This one?
Yeah, they do.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I need to take these twists on my head. I don't look right with a do-rag. Anyways, you guys, that's a ring light tutorial on the unboxing and checking it out. I mean, hey, it does good to me.
Yeah, it go down. You can turn it down. You can turn it up.
Anyways, you guys, if you enjoyed, well, we're gonna have a lot of videos with the ring light. So if you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what type of video y'all want to see next.
Until then,
peace.
AFV case when it's sticky, not part of the fame. Fuck an Oscar, I'm in the trap selling these games. Don't play with me, you knowin' I'm not one of them. Don't play with me, you knowin' I'm not one of him. Rest of my jean made me walk with a limp. A4 on my hip, shit, I feel like Draco came with a curl like pink, I'm pink.